Hi viewers, today we're going to talk about the new feature where if somebody steals your phone, you can turn on remote lock and I will explain more information about that. Locked phone mode. Google is implementing a new feature that activates a locked phone mode. This mode will prevent unauthorized access to user data and will also prevent thieves from reactivating a stolen device, even if they perform a factory reset. Offline device location. The update will enhance the ability to locate devices even when they're offline. This means users will have a better chance of finding their lost or stolen phones, regardless of whether they have an active internet connection. Emergency calling feature. A new emergency calling feature will allow users to make emergency calls without needing to unlock the phone. This can be crucial in situations where immediate assistance is needed but the device is locked. Enhanced user security. The features are designed to improve overall user security by safeguarding personal data and providing tools to locate and manage stolen devices effectively. They aim to give Android users more control and protection against theft related risks.